Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Before starting the video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and give this video a like up. Frank suffered a stroke at his Iowa home in July 2022. His friend Chris Davis is the guardian, and Midwestone Bank is the conservator. American Pickers Frank Fritz lost the will to live following stroke, according to a friend, and aerially arduous rehabilitation led to his death. According to the records obtained by The Sun, Mr. Fritz's decision-making capacity is so impaired by his stroke that he is unable to care for his own safety or to provide necessities such as food, shelter, clothing, or medical care, without which physical injury or illness may occur. Frank could also not make, communicate, or carry out important decisions concerning his own financial affairs. An exhibit was filed in the court papers from a doctor, claiming Frank does not have decisional capacity. The legal papers continued, decisions must be made for Mr. Fritz's care and placement while he continues to recover and receive treatment for his injuries. Appointment of a guardian and conservator is necessary to avoid immediate harm to him. The conservatorship papers also revealed plans for his Savannah, Illinois store Frank Fritz finds. Midwestone Bank's initial plan stated, Mr. Fritz is a well-known collector with numerous outbuildings containing valuable collections. The conservator has not yet inventoried those things, but intends to keep them mostly as is, with the exception of stocking Mr. Fritz's antique store in Savannah, IL as needed. The documents revealed Frank's annual income of $60,000 from investments, according to his 2021 tax form. Frank was unemployed at the time of his stroke and had no outstanding debts. Jerry Gendreau, Frank's longtime buddy, recently told The Sun that they want to auction off his antiques. That's what I would do because of his fan following, and I believe he'll do really, really well with an auction. In 2021, the U.S. Sun photographed Frank at his $155,000 Iowa farmhouse in Davenport, Iowa. In one of Frank's outhouses on the property, he showed off rows of motorcycles from his collection. Jerry previously told the U.S. Sun some of the bikes will be displayed at the store, which is located in the back room of his bar, Hog Dogs. Jerry told the U.S. Sun in October, "We have been an antique store for 35 years. We'll probably continue to be that. We may display motorcycles and choppers that represent Frank. Right now, it's set up as an 1880s general store. Maybe there'll be bikes on a rack all the way down the center." Frank left American Pickers in 2020 to undergo back surgery. He never returned and was officially let go from the series in 2021. Mike's brother Robbie replaced Frank on the show, while Jersey John Chile later became a full-time cast member. Frank revealed his feud with co-star Mike during an interview with the U.S. Sun in 2021. Mike, 60, and Frank made up during his health issues when they reunited over Memorial Day weekend of 2023. Mike and loved ones were by his side in hospice when he passed. Frank Fritz was placed under a conservatorship in August 2022, just weeks after he suffered a stroke. Jerry previously gave insight into Frank's health struggles in the months before his passing. He felt really, really bad, he told the U.S. Sun. You would go to see him in the nursing home, and one half of his body was completely done. He would lift his arm up, and it would just drop. That's got to be tough to be totally bedridden. Jerry said Frank grew frustrated because he couldn't come out and say what he wanted to say, though some days were much, much better than others. I've seen this when people get tired, they get tired. I think if you don't have the will to live, you won't, Jerry said. I think Frank could have lived a lot longer if the will to live would have been there. A memorial will be held in Frank's honor in the spring in Iowa. Anytime soon. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YSR Media to our channel and stay with us.